What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, man, I'd like to formally welcome you to the channel, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join that freaking Flyers Club. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And I got my IG name right here down below. Go ahead and head over to IG, give me a follow, man. Let's interact on there as well. I'm coming to y'all today, man, with a quick unboxing, and if I should say so myself, this is some heat, man. There's been a lot of new iterations of this shoe, man. A couple of lows. They've done an off-white version, but I got some heat today, man. I got some heat. See, it comes in the OG Nike Jordan 1 box. Tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Dark Powder Blue, man. Now, if you already know what these are by the name tag, go ahead and leave a comment down below, man. Leave a comment if you already know. Now, here we have the Air Jordan 1 OG High UNC, man. Super fire shoe. Now, this pair actually dropped back in 2015. I was able to land a brand new dead stock pair, man. It's not something that you see every day. So I got a dead stock pair of these UNC. This is my size 11.5, man. I seen them pop up in one of the Facebook groups. I had to make a deal for them. The guy was asking about $450 for them. I tried to get him to sell them for $400. He said he would do that, but he asked if I had any trades, and he wears an 8.5, so I offered a size 8.5 Clot Fearless Mid by Edison Chin, like the satin looking joints with the peel off, the Fearless joints. So he said he'd been looking for those. These weren't his size. I had something in his size, so it was a good trade, man. I traded the Clots in $100, so I feel like this is a good win on my behalf, man. I had to grab these, dead stock condition. I was actually just eyeing a pair of these. They were slightly worn, but I was just gonna grab them anyway just to add them to the OG collection. But I'm happy to have a brand new pair, man. So whenever I break these in, man, it's me adding my own flavor to it, and no one else's leftover flavor left on these, man. So definitely super dope. Happy to have these in the collection. I already got a spot for them in the back right over here. I now have the UNC off-whites, and I have the OG UNCs, man. Now, just comparing them, the off-white UNC is just a little bit darker, if you can see that. It's not the exact same color blue, but you know, this shoe came from this shoe, man. So Virgil took this, the OG off-white the OG UNC Jordan 1, and added this off-white touch to it, man. So for the people that don't know where the off-white UNC came from, it came from the regular UNC High. But as you guys know, man, lately they've been dropping like the lows, the Eric Costin joints, the UNC lows. They dropped the UNC mid earlier this year, and they also dropped the Lance Mountain, the Desert Ore with the cut up, and had the UNC on one shoe and the Royal on the other shoe, man. So the UNC has been getting a lot of attention lately. You had the UNC to Chicago Fearless. We had the UNC to Chicago women's leather pair. We had the UNC, the Obsidian joint. So they've been paying homage to North Carolina a lot in the past like year and a half or two. So man, I just had to go ahead and reach back and go ahead and grab these, man. Like I said, these came out in 2015, I believe in October of 2015. Really nice materials. It's not like the 2016 band pair that I always talk about. That's my go-to when I talk about quality of ones. But this is just like that Chicago material that came out of 2015, and the Storm Blues, all the same type of leather, man. Nothing too tumbled, but you know, still a solid piece, man. Happy to have these, man. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these so you guys can see this color, see these materials, man. And you can kind of set your eyes if you want to go ahead and reach back to 2015 and grab these joints. I think this is a good buy. Never go wrong with a Jordan 1, especially an OG colorway, man. Happy to have these. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get up close and personal, man. UNC Jordan 1 High. Now, getting up close and personal with these, man, right off the rip, you can see it's the OG black and red Jordan 1 box. Tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Dark Powder Blue. And this pair came from Foot Locker, man. You'll see the sticker in the top left corner. Getting straight to the shoes, man. As you can see, man, it has that pure white and that UNC blue, man. You can't really go wrong with these. If you like Jordan 1s, this is definitely one of the OGs that you should have in your collection, man. But yeah, like I said, it's the UNC. A lot of people have been going crazy over the new iterations, the Eric Costins and things like that, and the off-whites. But I just want to reach back and grab the original pair, man. See, they got the nice white mid-panel, white leather on the toe box, Nike Air on the tongue in that baby blue, white insoles with the baby blue Nike Air on the inside as well, man. It's just, I hadn't seen a dead stock pair of these in my size in a long time, other than like on the Go app, so it was good to see these locally, man. I had to pick them up by any means, really, man. I was gonna buy them or trade them. Luckily, he took the trade. It wasn't my size, so it's real easy for me. That's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer, man. Let me know if you think I won that trade, or if you think you would have kept the clocks, man. You think those are gonna be a collector's item or something. But I got some nice tumble leather on this mid panel, but I'm glad it's not tumbled all over, just like the classic 2015s, man. Like I said, it had that white insole with the baby blue Nike Air on it. That's a super clean shoe, man. Happy to have them brand new, dead stock, man. Gonna get a good, nice little fit off of these as soon as the quarantine is over, man. But like I said, man, the UNC Jordan 1 highs. Let me know how y'all feeling. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 High, OG, the UNCs, man, paying homage to Michael Jordan's college days. It's always a good feeling to add an OG to the collection, man, especially in dead stock, nice, brand new condition, man. Definitely gonna get some good wears out of these. Probably gonna throw the blue laces on there for sure, man. But let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Would you rather have the 2015, the OGs, or would you rather have the newer wave, man, with the off-white? Would you rather have Virgil, or would you rather have the originals, man? Let me know down below. Drop a comment down below and let me know, man. I like the off-whites. I like what Virgil did with these. These are one of my favorite pairs of off-whites, the UNC. But happy to have the original, man. Let me know what y'all would rather do. Like I said, man, that just about wraps it up for this one, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 High OG 2015 UNCs, man. Happy to have these. Happy to add them to the collection. Gonna go ahead and slide them into their new home, man. Y'all stay safe, wash your hands, man, practice social distancing. Please stay at home if you don't have to leave the house. Till next time on the next video, man. Peace.